Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
This is the 2020 Forest River Flagstaff Micro Lite 25FKS, a lightweight travel trailer designed to pack a lot of comfort into a manageable size. On the exterior, one of the storage compartments opens up to reveal an outdoor grill and a mini fridge, giving you a built-in outdoor kitchen setup that's perfect for cooking and grabbing cold drinks without going inside. Stepping into the interior, you're welcomed by the kitchen area. There's lots of cabinet space above and below the kitchen counter. Built into this counter run, you'll find the stove, microwave, and sink, all together in one convenient cooking zone. Next to that is the fridge, giving you everything you need for meal prep in a compact, easy-to-use layout. Moving back, you come to the fireplace with a TV mounted above it, creating a cozy entertainment set. Across from that are the recliner chairs, set up for direct viewing of the TV and fireplace, with cabinet space above. Heading toward the rear, you enter the bathroom, which includes a shower, toilet, and cabinet space above the toilet for extra towels or supplies. There's also a sink area with a mirror above. Lastly, at the very back is the bedroom, featuring a comfortable bed with cabinet space above. This gives you a private retreat with extra storage for clothes, bedding, and personal belongings.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.